this is in the regulation time. This was the first goal from Nepal. And this was the second goal from Nepal. And that was a very good, valiant attempt. Didn't result in a goal. And that was the most pivotal moment. So, almost there, but
थ्रू पास साथी खिलाड़ी हमजा के लिए
less than 6 minutes. Nepal still trying to take the ball into the defense of Maldives, and quite successfully till now. And this was saying almost there, but then it was Bimal Magar. In the process, the ball went into the position of and then there was a dangerous situation and a goal. This was Qasir Ali. See, playing with 10 men in itself is very difficult. Yes, it was Nasheed. And this was a fabulous shot to the left of the goalkeeper. So, time and again we were saying that the time is the most difficult part for the Nepalese team to manage, and that happened. Ahmed Nasheed scoring that beautiful right footer away from the goalkeeper, and now it is the turn of Raji Shakya, who was smiling till this moment, to have some signs of commotion. So technically now the game has suddenly turned in favor of Maldives. The reason being there are 10 men, and even if this full-time score goes into a 2-all draw, they will have to play another 30 minutes with 10 men, which is, if not impossible, very difficult. And after that, if they still, it is Bimal Magar now scoring those, trying to score with the left footers.
ये देखिए स्लो मोशन में इस्माइल ने गेंद बढ़ाई थी फासिल के लिए. अच्छा कवर करते हैं गोलकीपर विकेश कुथू. थ्रोइंग गासिम. चेस्ट ट्रैप करना चाह रहे थे वहां पर नाशिद, जिन्होंने 2-2 किया इस मुकाबले को निर्धारित समय में. विराज नेपाल की ओर से आक्रमण करते विक्रम लामा. विक्रम से प्रकाश. प्रकाश के पास अभी भी गेंद. प्रकाश ने गेंद लॉब की वहां पे, लेकिन कोई भी खिलाड़ी नहीं वहां पर. गेंद संभाल ली एक बार फिर हमजा ने, और फॉल किया गया हमजा को. फ्री किक.
So 5 minutes of the 30 minutes gone. There will be a small break, change of sides after 15 minutes. But both sides slowing down the game, trying to conserve the energy, and this time it was a shot taken by Nasheed went into the ozone zone. Ultimately resulting into a corner. In the melee, the ball cleared. Suddenly the game has slowed down. Maybe conserving their energies for the penalty shootouts. Would it will be, or it will be a surprise attack by Maldives to finish the game. And once they get a goal and make it 3-2, then even if after the extra time, I am sure they will not allow Nepal any look at their goal. This is how the fortune changes. A team which was 1-2 goals up suddenly finds itself in an area of a player. They are playing with 10, the score being equal at 2-2. Raju Shakir. Nasheed. Now the Nepalese managed to keep the ball out. They know that with 10 men to keep their citadel in, and then to keep their citadel intact and then attack on the Maldives goal is, if not an impossible, but a difficult task with 10 men. So once again, it is Maldives planning an attack, but then this one touch ball didn't yield any result, and there was hardly any forward to take it, and ball has gone to the Nepalese goalkeeper Vikas Kutu. Vikas Kutu had given an excellent account of himself, but then the 2 goals he conceded were absolutely fine goals, with any goalkeeper in the world would not be able to save from those positions. Absolutely midfield play, both the teams trying to regroup themselves, but the position that is with, and this time it's at expense of a corner. It was Vishal Rai getting the ball, took a fierce shot, but it went through and defended. Corner, once again it is Vishal Rai who will be taking the corner. Dead ball situations always prove to be something difficult. The entire defense had come down. So Nasheed scoring that opportune shot, but then could have scored, but then ball sails over from a close quarter.
वही एक बार के लिए अहमद सुहेल से आइए एक बार हाथ छूट गया गोल करें थोड़ी सी भूल गई नेपाल के गोलकीपर विकेट कुछ से और कोच मालदीव्स के निर्देश दे रहे विकेट कुछ से थोड़ी गलती हुई वहां पर और मौका मिला नियाज हसन को गोल करने का। ये देखिए गेंद ग्रिप नहीं कर पाए वहां और नियाज हसन ने ये मौका का फायदा उठाया, गोल कर दिया। राइट फ्लैंक से गेंद आई थी।
Of the starring moments, Vikesh Guru put on and who was the ball to shot it into the goal. So from a position of 0-2, now 3-2 up match. This is how the final changes for the team. And fortune is the break. So Nepal would certainly. Oh no! This time this Haboli. So what a transformation in the game. Minutes more. Number 4, Qasim Sanam, who's lying at the ground. Immediately
प्रवेश कर जाएगी, लेकिन नवयुग श्रेष्ठा 3-3। ये देखिए किस तरीके से नवयुग श्रेष्ठा ने 3-3 किया था। विशाल राय द्वारा गेंद आई वहां पर, गोलकीपर से वहां पर मिस हुई फ्लाइट। आइए प्लेसमेंट है, नवयुग श्रेष्ठा की हैट्रिक, दूसरी हैट्रिक इस टूर्नामेंट की शुभंकर।
What a match! Suddenly, pulsating moments. A dead ball situation proved to be absolutely telling for Maldives. When we were thinking that the match has almost been taken away by Maldives, suddenly Nepal springs in and just sets in 2 goals by winning it 2-3.
और शायद पीला कार्ड भी दिखाया जिससे वो गोल करने के बाद बाहर चले गए थे मैदान के, तो एक येलो कार्ड जरूर देखा, लेकिन अपनी टीम को फाइनल में पहुंचा दिया नवयुग श्रेष्ठा ने। आपको मालूम होगा कि बंगबंधु कप में भी उन्होंने हैट्रिक की थी मालदीव्स के विरुद्ध, तो मालदीव्स कुछ डरी सी है नवयुग से। एक नया युग का आप कह सकते हैं कि राइज ऑफ ए न्यू युग ऑफ नेपाल।
Absolutely, but then why this unnecessary fouls? You are winning.
तो एक नया युग शुरू हुआ।
That is the end. And what a match it was for Nepal.